Hi, I'm Loli, and I'm so glad you are here. Hello, my friends. Today's video is part of the Thrift Flip Road Trip hosted by these amazing ladies. And today's video contains a giveaway, so make sure that you watch till the end for some instructions on that. And later on, I will also give you some more information about the playlist. All right, let's start with these beautiful candle holders that I found from a thrift flip in Florida on my visit recently there to my in-laws. These were actually marked at, this one was $4, but it was 50% off, so I got it for two. This one was $3, and I got it for $1.50. And then this one, the last one was $6, and I got it for $3. I gave him a nice cleaning using the Stuff Plus that I got from Dollar Tree, and make sure to get in every single nook and cranny of each one of the candle holders. One of the tops became detached, so I'm going to take a combination of E6000 and hot glue and reposition it back where it belongs. And now it is good as new. Now I'm going to take some of this full card black paint, and I'm going to completely cover all three of the candle holders. I just made sure to get into all of the nooks and crannies. And also make sure to get the bottom as well, because this is going to be sold and we want everything to be nice and finished. I ended up giving each one 2 coats, and this is what they look like at the end there. You can leave them like this, but you know already I'm not done yet. I'm going to come in with some of this white wax from Waverly, and I'm going to use one of these daubers and lightly dab some of that white wax over the pieces to reveal this beautiful design. Here I'm making sure that the sponge is not too saturated with the white wax, so it doesn't go into the nooks and crannies. So we have a beautiful surface like this, and you can see all the detail on each one of them. And I repeated that with all three of the candle holders. You can leave them like this if you like, but I had more ideas, so I want to go ahead and bring all that detail out on this piece right here as well. Here I'm using the dauber even drier than I used for the other portion, and I just want to reveal all those little petals that it has on that portion also. You can also stop here if you want, but here I'm going to bring out the details on this section as well here. So I'm going to come in with some more of that white wax on those surfaces. Just make sure, since this was really shallow, make sure that you don't have too much of the white wax on that sponge, so you're able to reveal the best details. And I did the same thing with this little portion at the top as well. These candle holders are so intricate and they're so beautiful. They have so much detail. I want all that to show. And I repeated that with all three. And here I'm adding some of that same white wax to the edges of where the candle will go to tie everything together. I also added some white wax to all the ridges as here, all the raised pieces at the bottom as well, to reveal that detail also and give this even more depth. And here they are all completed. Let me know what you think. My friend, today's video is part of the Thrift Flip Road Trip that is hosted every other month by Sammie at Unicorn Dust Designs and by Trish and Kay at the Crafting Cousins. And their guest host this month is Christine at DIY Craftaholics. The links to their channels and to their playlist will be linked in the description box below and also pinned in the comments. Make sure to head on over to the channels and to their playlist and show everyone some love. There's also a giveaway, so make sure that you stay until the end of the video for the instructions on how to enter. Alright, let's get to the next inspiration. For this one, I'm going to use this black that I got at my local thrift store. And I'm going to paint it with 2 coats of this full card rich black paint. Then I'm going to come in with some of that white wax once again and a smaller dauber. And I'm going to dab around the entire house and the courtyard and all that image on this piece to bring it all back to life. My friend, if you're enjoying this video so far, don't forget to leave me a big thumbs up. And while you're there, you might as well subscribe. And make sure that you share this video with your friends as well, so they can enjoy it just as much as you did. Remember, sharing is caring, and it helps my channel grow. Thank you so much. I love how the details come to life as I add the white wax to this. You can see all the intricate little pieces. I can see the tiles on the roof, the trees. It just looks like a beautiful winter scene at the same time as well. And I'm adding some more of that white wax to the edges as well to tie everything together. And look at that. Oh my goodness, I'm loving it. I also added a very light coat on the black section right there, so it will look like a beautiful starry night. And that is it. Let me know what you think. I want to take a quick moment to say thank you to my subscribers for subscribing, commenting, liking, sharing. All these things help me tremendously. They help my channel grow, and I appreciate you very much for them. And if you have not subscribed yet, what are you waiting for? Go ahead and subscribe and join the Lori D's Creations family. It is free and it means the world to me. For the next inspiration, we will be using this vase that I got at my local thrift store. Look how beautiful the detail on that is. I love it, but it's a little dated. I got it for 75 cents. I'm going to go ahead and remove that tag. And I had some little bit of adhesive still in the bottom. So I'm going to take some of that glue gun and then scrape it off using my Cricut spatula. And then I'm going to wipe it down using a paper towel. I gave it a nice clean it all the way around using one of these wipes from Dollar Tree as well to make sure that I had no dust or no gunk or anything on it. And I also cleaned the inside because this will be sold and we want this to be as beautiful as possible. Now I'm going to come in with some of this folk art rich black paint, and I'm going to give this vase a total of 3 coats using it. Making sure to keep the coats nice and light so that way we don't saturate much paint on around all of the flowers and that image stays intact. Once it dried, I'm going to go ahead and take some of that white wax that I used for the previous 2 DIYs and another dauber. So I'm going to go ahead and do the same thing. I'm going to make sure that my dauber has some of the white wax, but it's not saturated. And we're going to go over all of the raised section of the vase very lightly, making sure to just add it to the flowers and not to the surface around them. I find this process to be so relaxing. Look how beautiful and how amazingly detailed the flower comes back to life as we add this white wax to it. Look how beautiful. I love that contrast between the white wax and the black surface. It just, I don't know, it just screams chic, high-end, and just simply beautiful. I love how easy it is to just take some paint and a dated piece and then completely transform it and make it brand new for just cents. In the case of this vase, 75 cents, a little bit of white wax, some black paint, and voila, look how beautiful. But I'm not done yet. I want to bring out some more details. So I'm using a very dry dauber and I bounced it up and down, revealing all the beautiful texture and ridges that the paint left behind. You can display it as it is, or you can display it with some greenery or some flowers. Here it is. How will you display this piece? Will you leave it as it is? Or maybe display it with some greenery or some flowers. Here it is with some greenery. This is my favorite. And here we are with the final reveal. Don't forget to stay to the end so you can get all the instructions on how to enter the giveaway.
Welcome to the Thrift Flip Road Trip. In today's video, we are participating in an open challenge hosted by Unicorn Dust Designs, Crafting Cousins, and special guest host DIY Craftaholic. Here, talented creators breathe new life into old items. But wait, there's more. We're thrilled to announce that this month's playlist will have a special giveaway with not one, not 2, but 5 lucky winners. Prizes include DIY paint and recycled decoupage paper from Unicorn Dust Designs, 3 wood craft kits from Crafting Cousins, and a $100 Visa gift card from CJ DIY. To enter, just watch the May Thrift Flip Road Trip playlist and comment your favorite project from each creator on their video. Mark your calendar for May 25th when we will announce the winners on our community tabs. Open to U.S. residents only. Don't miss out on this chance to win, and be sure to spread the love by following the playlist link in the description box below.
Good luck on the giveaway! My friends, as always, thank you so much for watching. Be blessed, be a blessing, and craft responsibly. And if you would like to follow me on social media, here are my social media links. And don't forget to visit my friends in the playlist. If you would like to watch some more of my videos, here's a suggestion, and you are more than welcome to binge away with this playlist as well. Thank you so much for spending time with me today. You're amazing. Bye.